Here's a quick recap of what you missed in class today. Please go to the school website and print off a copy of the PowerPoint slides that I have attached. They will help you follow along with this lesson. Also, please don't panic if you don't understand anything from this lesson. We can discuss any and all of this information when you return to class. The first item of discussion today was the difference between an economic want and a non-economic want. An economic want is a want that costs the consumer something to obtain. A non-economic want does not cost the consumer anything to obtain. The next topic of discussion was the difference between goods and services. A good has 4 characteristics. If it meets these 4 characteristics, it is considered a good. If it doesn't, it is not. The 4 characteristics are: is it tangible? Is it useful? Is it scarce? And is it transferable? The 3 characteristics of a service are: is it useful? Is it scarce? And is it transferable? The next topic of discussion was the difference between consumer goods and services and industrial goods and services. First, I think it helps to tell the difference between the two. Let's pick an item. Let's pick a car. A car is an example of a consumer good or service. An example of an industrial good that goes into a car would be the windshield, would be the rear view mirror, would be the plastic or the metal that goes into the bumper or the frame of the car. Those are all examples of industrial goods and services. They go into the production. They are part of the final good that the consumer buys. The final good in this case that the consumer bought is a car. Lastly today, we briefly touched on the law of supply and the law of demand. We can get into this in much more detail, but basically we talked about why producers produce a good and what drives them. Please let me know if you have any questions. Get well soon, and we will talk shortly. Have a great day.